Hello, I'm CGN. This is a quick video to show how to match color with background in Photoshop 2026. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. I have two images. One is girl, and another is the sunset bridge. I will use sunset bridge as a background, so I can drag into Photoshop to open the image. Next, we can go back to File folder, and then we can click and drag the girl into Photoshop to create a new layer. And then we can click and drag and we can enlarge it. So I put it here and press enter. Now we can go to top option bar, we can find window, and then we can go to show, contextual taskbar, and then we can click remove background and wait a moment. So background is removed with a mask. Now we can find that two images not matching together. If we want to match two color, we can find that Harmonize button here. Click and wait a moment. After generating, we have three variations in properties window. The first variation, the second variation, and the third variation. If you want to have more variation, you can generate once again. So this is how we can match color with background in Photoshop 2026. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video we will share with you. I'm CG Yan. See you in the next video.